Hello, I'm attorney Mark Davis, personal injury attorney with Davis & Crump Law Firm. I'm often asked, how much is my case worth? Early on in a case, even more so at the initial conference with the client, it's almost impossible to tell someone how much their case is worth. Early on in the case, we don't know the full extent possibly of your injury. We don't have all of your medical records. We don't know what the defenses will be from the defense. There are just too many ifs to be able to say with any certainty how much your case is worth early on in the life of a claim. Liability and damages, there are many aspects to both of those parts of your case. In regard to liability alone, even in something such as a pharmaceutical or medical device case, and people are taking the exact same drug or may have the exact same medical device, your case is very much different from someone else's. What your doctor told you about a drug or a medical device may be totally different from what another doctor told someone else. No two car accidents are exactly the same. No two defendants that you're making a case against is exactly the same. All of these things have to come out through what we call discovery before we can have a more definite idea about what we think might happen if your case were to go to trial on the issue of liability. Damages in many instances is even more speculative early on. How much of your medicals are going to be? Is the doctor going to say that you have a permanent injury? What is he or she going to say about what treatment you may or may not need in the future? How much will that treatment cost? Do you have lost wages? Do you have the ability to go back and do certain things that maybe that you did before or not be able to do them? These are all questions that all have to be answered before an attorney can begin to estimate what a case is worth. Also, in particular with drugs and medical device cases, has any other cases gone to trial? That can impact other drug and medical device cases. If the first 2 or 3 cases that go to trial involving a particular drug are all very successful for the plaintiff, that will have a positive impact on your case. If the first several trials all result in defense verdict, that will have a negative impact on your case. That's just some information about how to evaluate someone's case. If you have a personal injury case and you're in need of an attorney, call us at the toll-free number on your screen or email us at info@daviscrump.com. I know we can help.
Legal Briefs was brought to you by Davis & Crump. Fighting for you is what we do.